Okay, when you have to repair a lens on cap on the LED, so you have the three point there. This one, and this one, where it was the lens. So you have the three same point. So the best is to put the glue with the one who working with the ultraviolet light. So Bondic is one you could find in Canadian Tire or a place like that. So you put 3 drops of glue on the 3 points like that. So this glue will glue only when the light will go on it. So you have the time you need for put the lens. So you see the three pin you have to put on the 3 glued. Okay. After that, you could take a battery for have a 2.2 volt or a meter or LED tester. So I inject the voltage to have the light. So after that, you put the lens cap on. Sorry. Or have less light than possible for don't have a big spot on your after that, sorry, on your screen. After that, you take light and you glue with light. Sorry for the cat. So now is really well glued, even on the sheet. You see. So after that we try again for be sure. Okay, not so bad. So anyways, the trick for have a good glued cap on the LED stripe. So, thank you.